Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will demonstrate how to hand catch the DJI Mini 4 Pro during landing, as there wasn't a sufficiently large flat and horizontal surface on the mountainside where I could safely place the drone. I had to use this special technique, but I won't delay any further. I deactivated the obstacle avoidance function in advance so that it doesn't keep a distance from my hand. Interestingly, even like this, it sensed my hand and tried to rise to avoid contact. Now, in such a situation, the thing to do is to hold the controller in your other hand and pull down the left stick with your thumb. This overrides the protective mechanism and forces the drone to descend. It's important to keep your eyes on the drone throughout and wait with an outstretched arm. You slightly bend your arm to make room for the rotors. When the moment comes, you decisively grab the body, preferably in the middle, and with a quick twisting motion, tilt the drone by 90 degrees. This signals to the automation that manual handling has occurred, and it should switch off immediately, and that's what it does. When I reviewed the video, it seemed like maybe I pulled the drone too forcefully initially, but then I flew with it, and there was no harm. Next time, I'll try to be a bit gentler, hoping it will still shut off.